Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. In today's video, we're going to break down how this genius e-commerce store made $40 million in 2022 by selling a genius digital product, custom love songs. The store is called Songfinch, and it's an online platform that allows people to create customized or personalized songs for their significant others or friends or whoever they want. But it's mostly marketed towards getting a love song made for your partner. The process is quite simple. Customers provide information about the recipient and their interests, stories about them, and how their relationship is. And then Songfinch has a whole team of professional musicians that just make the songs, all based on the information that the customer provided. Pretty genius idea, right? And guess how much they charge for this? They charge $199 for a song. So how did Songfinch scale to $40 million in 2022? Well, the company has been successful and has been able to achieve that for a few reasons. Let's go over them. First, they have a unique value proposition that they can offer their customers, and it really resonates with them. I mean, a personalized gift, people really love that kind of stuff. And a custom song is about as unique as it gets. Second, Songfinch has been super successful in their marketing efforts. Not only have they been able to partner with incredible influencers and brands, but they've also had a bunch of PR work done, and this is just a very viral product, so it sort of catches fire on its own. But some advice you can take into consideration if you're starting your business is you don't need to try to get lucky to see if your product will catch fire. You can add fuel to that flame, just how Songfinch is doing it, by running meta ads. So as you see, Songfinch is running 73 different results, and they're all really good. It's just a bunch of user-generated type of content or TikTok style content that they're utilizing for paid media. So they're actually spending money to boost these posts up and use machine learning on Meta to try to find customers from these ads. It's very clever, and it's what every business should be doing, in my opinion. It's what my company does, or startups, and what our own brands grow based on. And Meta Ads is exactly our main approach for growing our own lean brands as well. So that's what my company does. We run Meta Ads or machine learning ads on Google as well, and TikTok for startups and for our own internal brands. As you see here, this one, for example, reached over 100K this month, and it's only growing. Now for Songfinch, like I mentioned, it's a product that naturally catches your attention and is unique. So if you spend some money on meta ads or you hire some influencers where you can run ads on their page as well, then that will just naturally build momentum. And that's a great thing to keep in mind if you're thinking of a business to start. Is your product unique? Is your product something that people would make content about? And is that a great idea for you to actually pursue? You know, having a product that is unique and eye-catching, for example, is an advantage when it comes to content. Finally, Songfinch has built an incredible team, and this is just a massive reason for their success. They obviously have built an incredible team of songwriters and musicians to produce really high quality music at scale. And they've actually built a pretty good reputation over the years of that. And since it's so unique and they have a big marketing budget and their marketing works so well, they're able to really just scale this to the moon. I mean, think about it. They don't really have to spend that much money to produce the product, and they don't need to spend a lot of money shipping it. Actually, they spend zero shipping it because it's a digital product. And you may be thinking, how can you even launch a digital product like this? Well, it may be easier than you think. All you need to do is start a Shopify store, of course, to host your product. But then you can use an app called Digital Downloads, which is completely free on Shopify, to create any sort of product you want. And when somebody checks out on your store, it automatically gets sent to them via email, or they can download it on the thank you page. And as you see, for example, here on Fiverr, I looked up love song, and there's a lot of people here willing to produce a love song for pretty affordable. Some people are like $50. So there's even room for competing with Songfinch here if you wanted to start a business in this realm. So overall, Songfinch is an incredible example for a brand that just exemplifies the power of a unique product and some strong marketing behind it. Though a powerful product alone sort of markets itself, so all you really need to do is start testing out ways to amplify your products, such as meta ads, TikTok ads, or even just making some organic content about your product. So if you're looking to start your own business, this is an incredible example and something to aim for. And if you want to get a bunch of up-to-date research and education on how you could create something like this, and also a networking group with incredible resources, then check out the Akemi Lab. That's our community. It's a really incredible place to be if you're a visionary or an entrepreneur. And that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.